Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking onto this video. If you're new here, my pretty name is Nicole Nazoe, and if you like it, you can call me Liberbu, period. Without further ado, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Imagine this is the place you are meant to be. Actually, in this very minute and hour and day that you're watching this video, imagine it's God who sent you here. So please subscribe to join my cute little family and be part of it, and hit the post notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, because that will help my video circulate to wider ranges. So give me that like, I really need that like. Okay, imagine it's free giving me that like, so hit that like button and leave a comment where you think it's necessary. And lastly, share with your friends and family and anyone that you can think of sharing. Like, share my content. I will really appreciate so much. So thank you for clicking here. Thank you for joining me in this video. So today it's not the regular that you normally see on this channel. It's not even a vlog. So this week, like earlier this week, because today is on Sunday and I want to edit this video now, and then I remembered it doesn't have an intro or an outro. So I was cleaning the house, yeah, alafu I decided to give you guys a tour of our living room. So I hope you guys will love this video. It's just our humble abode. This is where, after a long hectic day outside, you know how hectic it can get, so this is where you just want to come and rest off and just clear your mind. So I hope you guys will love the tour of our house. Let me know what's your favorite highlight of this video, if you've enjoyed it, if you'd want to see more. No, you I don't think I'm ready to show more. But I hope you guys will love this video. Let me know what you've loved the most about this video. We'll meet at some point at the end, yeah? So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Let me leave it to you guys.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. So deep in it that I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. Your poison is spread to my soul. You say you love me one day, next you don't. Knowing damn well I can't leave you alone. You say I'm being dramatic, but I feel taken advantage of. My intuition's never steered me wrong. Girl, you're a blessing and a curse. If I stay or if I go, either way I end up hurt.
And then you started, and look what happened. You started writing. You started like more and more. Like
rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind, we're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. There's just no easy way out no more. We've taken this too far. You feel like rain in the morning,
Did you enjoy? Was it fun as I said? If it wasn't, tell me what I will have done to spice that video up. But as short as it was, I wanted something short but juicy. Chef's kiss. Let me know how our house is. I hope you loved it. I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. If there's an idea you've seen and you'd want to steal, let me know what that idea is, because me, when I get my own place, I just want to copy paste this house. You know how you just copy paste things? Yeah, that's what I want to do. Because I just love everything, every detail about our living room. Cleaning that place, it just makes me happy. Don't mind the vacuum cleaner. I was cleaning, okay, and I did want to like push it to a corner and just hide it for the video. We are here for the rawness, okay. So even if Cookie will have made a mess on the carpet, I would have just taken the video like that. So don't mind it. Okay, I'm joking. I'm being extra. I'm being extra. But I hope you enjoyed. If you've subscribed, thank you so much for joining this family. You've made the best decision. Actually, this is the best decision in your life that you've ever made. Trust me, trust me. I'll see you guys in the next episode next week. It will be a short but interesting video, yeah. And take care. Keep subscribing and sharing my content. Thank you. You know, I was just here the entire time. I just covered the camera and then removed, and then I was like, I'll see you guys at the end. You know how YouTubers wake up and then the camera is already set like beside the bed, and then they're like, oh. Aliamka akaset hiyo kamera akarudi kwa kitanda. Don't be lied at he just took up. Lies. It's a lie. They probably went to the toilet and then came back. Akina choma guy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.